Hey guys, today we have a diamond art set here, and this is diamond gems, so you can be able to make it with everything. And here we just have a case for it. This is specifically for the diamond gem sets, and this is perfect. Even comes with little stickers to organize them and everything. I love doing diamond art paintings, but I do not have space to put my gems. I always have to put them in Ziploc bags or something, but this is perfect for those traveling or those that need just a little set to have it and everything. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. And while it's open, it's actually see-through, so you can actually see the colors through the case in case you're missing a color or you need a color and everything. Do you see? You can even take out the case, and there's just an opening in case you do not want your diamond art. So you can use this as even for anything, not just for the diamond arts. Yeah, I'm gonna set it up with all my diamond art paintings. As you can see, it's everywhere, all the bags and everything. So I want to set it up and be easy to use. So let's do that. What I love about this is that they actually stack up. Each box can stack up on each other. Let me show you how that looks. Also very easy to put it away. So see how they stack up? They won't move as much when you're stacked up and everything because they have like little stumps on there to click on to each one. So it's very useful to have that feature. As you can see, I did put my diamond art trays in here because when I want them out and I want them all in the same place, my pens are actually underneath the foam, so you can't really tell right now, but they are underneath the foam, so I could have it all to go to take-o. And all I need is just the canvas. Easy to zip up, very easy to put away, very useful. People who love doing diamond art paintings and need an organization, this is perfect for you. Even people who don't even use diamond art paintings, you can actually use this for different features as well. But this is just easy to have. I love that it's clear through. You can see all my letters are organized. I'll be able to pull one out if I need it or put it away if I don't. If someone in your life loves diamond art paintings, this is perfect for them to organize it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.